Hey everyone, this is a quick review of the Ninja Professional 1000-watt blender. This thing is awesome at making smoothies, making milkshakes. You can even make soups and other things with it. So I'm going to walk you through how to use this and some of the great features it has. This has a 72 ounce or 9 cup capacity, and then the max liquid capacity on it is 64 ounces or 8 cups. On the other side, it also has liters and milliliter markings in case you want to use those. This lid has a bunch of great features packed into its design. It's got a release button right here that releases the catch from the handle, and it flips up so you can grab it and pick the whole thing off. It's got a safety button right here that is depressed by this switch in the handle. When you put the lid back on, it will not run without the lid on, so you can't accidentally start it and send everything flying all over your kitchen. You also can't get your hand in there while it's running, so safety and convenience and keeping you from making messes. On this side, you've got a pour spout that pops up. It locks into place so you can pour it without having to hold it up, and it's got a gasket around the top so it'll keep it from leaking out when you're using the blender. When you're putting it back on the drive mechanism, just put it on at a 45-degree angle, turn, and it'll lock in place. Now the blades on this thing are absolutely crazy looking. It's 3 stages, so it's going to get up high and low and in the middle. And make sure everything is chopped up. It does a great job of that. Occasionally I'll get things stuck in the corners of the square-ish container, but usually if you add a little bit more liquid, it'll come right out. One really nice feature they built into this is a cord wrap. It's just molded into the base, and so you can take whatever extra cord you have and wrap it around, and then you can tuck it in here, and you've got a 0 footprint cord for storing it. Cleanup on this is super easy too. I just put a little dish soap and water in it, and run it, and then rinse it out. So overall, I think this is an awesome blender. Ours has lasted us years. It's still going great. Definitely a recommendation.